Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my AIA box. I did skip November, but did get December. I have not even opened this box. I don't know which side opens. I think this side. It's all taped. Is it? Yes, taped. Maybe on this side. Ooh. AIA is $38 a month. I can never get these open easily. Okay, that's open. I did not open it all the way. $38 a month, access to new brands, influencers, each month, basically a box takeover, brand takeover, I should say, valued over $100 each box. They do donate $1 for each box purchased to charity. And like I said, I skipped November because it was Alamar Cosmetics. I'm just not, personally, just not a fan. I caught a glimpse of who the brand is for this box, so I was happy. So that's what it says. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. And let's get our card. And the brand in December 2022 is Touch and Soul. And you get product list on the back with pricing, right? Or did they stop with prices? No, prices are still there. Let's move this. I'll start with this because I have one that's like half used and do like this. This is the No Problem Primer. This is a little bit more of like a silicone-y feel primer, but I like it a lot. So I am happy to have another one. That's what it looks like, and it is a pump, as you can see. I do enjoy this and probably grab for that one more than some of my others. So that is No Problem Primer, $18. It says the original K Beauty Primer has an airy formula, refines pores, minimizing their size instantly while providing proper adhesion to skin and leaving skin velvety smooth. Contains soluble collagen to improve skin elasticity and camellia sinensis for moisturizing and antioxidant benefits. I think I shared this with my niece, but I might keep this one now. This is from Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This is $32. I know I gave one of these to my niece. She was looking for products like this, so I shared it. That's what that looks like right there. Oops, let me just take the top off. So there it is right there. I'll just, oops, right there. Just a light scent. Nothing horrible. Oh, got some out along the sides. Deceiving packaging. It looks bigger than it is. So it is just right there. I'll put it on. It's just, you know, lightweight. It's like right in. There's nothing to that product. Goes right in your skin. It's actually very, very nice. So that's those two. That was $32. Is that what I said? $32. The 2-in-1 moisturizing water-based balm calms the skin while restoring radiance and delivering a hydrating, priming finish to enhance makeup application. Loaded with hydrating botanicals, damask rose water, shea butter, and sunflower seed oil. Used daily, this lightweight balm cream delivers dewy, glowy skin in one easy step for glassy, laminated skin, perfected and born in Korea. I mean, it does give your skin a nice little, just super soft smell. A little bit maybe of the rose water, but I don't mind that. What is this? Have I had this before? I don't think I've had this before. Pretty Filter Wonderful Glow Cream, $38. I know I've had the glassy skin. Oh, that's really pretty. No, I have not had this before, so I'm excited for that. Another safety top, and that's definitely up my alley. I'll just give that a slight little touch. I'll come over here with that. Well, that feels nice. Well, that feels really nice. No scent that I can detect, so we'll put that lid back on. Yet I don't have that, so let me see what this says. This ultra hydrating moisture gel cream instantly absorbed into skin to calm, soothe, and minimize signs of aging. It's like gone. Rejuvenating ingredients include triple hyaluronic acid, and a unique combination of super hydrating botanicals featuring shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and squalene, which is phenomenal for your skin. Contains no artificial colorants or parabens. Yeah, I don't smell anything. And then here we have this, which I don't have. And this is the No Problem Eye Primer, $22. I really do enjoy this brand. Like I said, I've had a few things over time. So that's what this looks like right here. And it says, so one end, you can see, I don't want to be like opening these. You can see. This all comes from Seoul, Korea area. No crease, no smudging. So you can see the top. I'll take this off. So you would advance the product. It would come there and you would put that on for an eye primer, which is nice. Let's see what they have to say about that. This airy smooth eye primer creates a crease and smudge proof canvas to prevent oily lids. Apply and let dry before applying glitter makeup, eyeshadow, or liner to get intense color payoff and crease-free, long-lasting wear for up to 24 hours. I hope you don't have your makeup on for 24 hours. The sheer tinted primer comes packaged in a convenient push-click pen with sponge tip applicator for a more hygienic, easy control and application. And it looks like we have a mascara, which I definitely have not tried. And this is StretchX Stretch Mascara. Let's have you open. Just top. Use the help of the blade to get me in. Sometimes I can't pop these tops. I have not tried a couple of these, so that's exciting. Well, that's, you know, standard looking packaging. It is sealed. So I will leave it sealed. I don't know if I'll keep that because, like I said, I've never tried that one, but I might share it. That's $18. Top selling mascara features a unique, super light and elastic formula to create buildable lash length that lasts all day and takes your lashes to the extreme. Stretch polymer gives the look of false lashes without the hassle, yet it easily washes off with warm water. Nice to know. I hate when you have to fight to get it off. That's usually when I'll use like an oil-based cleanser, like on a Q-tip, to get it off lashes instead of keep on rubbing, because then you start losing your lashes. So it comes off with warm water, so it won't irritate even the most sensitive eyes. Enriched with silk proteins to protect and promote happy, healthy-looking lashes in just one swipe. Right here, I'll show you this side. Great box. Like I said, I have used Touch and Soul in the past. This is probably one of my favorite primers. And like I said, the one I have is half empty already. So I do know my phone is not out here anymore, but this is definitely worth the $38 that you pay. I mean, this product right here is $38. So this pays for the box. I love these products because they're more of like a gel water cream, and that's what I like. I don't like heavy, thick creams for my face. If I get one and I try it, I wind up just giving it to my sister or my nieces because I don't like it. So I can definitely, and I know I did share this with my niece. She was looking for this type of product, so now I'll keep that one because I gave her mine. I'm very happy with this box. So did you get AIA this month? If you did, let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I'm very happy with my box and can't wait to try some of those products. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.